Kiss like a blade in a garden of shadows where secrets are made. Smoke curls like ribbons, it twists and it turns. The air smells of powder, the fire still burns. Roses and revolvers, beauty and the bite, a love that's a weapon, wrapped up in the fight. They bloom in the chaos, they dance in the dark. Roses and revolvers, they'll shatter your heart. A pistol's cold steel, a flower's warm hue. One pulls the trigger, the other pulls you. The petals fall slow, like a clock running out. A love letter's written, but it's laced with doubt. Bang, bang, the echoes sing, a rose drops, a thorn will sting. Bang, bang, the silence hums, the revolver clicks, the ending comes. Roses and revolvers, beauty and the bite, a love that's a weapon, wrapped up in the fight. They bloom in the chaos, they dance in the dark. Roses and revolvers, they'll shatter your wheel a match under the midnight dome, fingers trembling, hearts made of chrome. The stars shivered, the air stood still. We whispered to the dark, bend it to our will.
Shadow sleeps on the mountain's face. It whispers secrets in the cold, dark space. The wind hums low, the trees all bow. Who knew silence could scream so loud? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? Do you linger at dawn? Do you vanish at noon? Or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon? Footsteps fade in the mossy ground, lost in the echoes where none are found. The rocks hold stories carved by the rain. Every tear of the earth, every ounce of pain. Is it the shadow, or is it me, chasing ghosts I can't even see? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? At noon, or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon? Like a lie that was sweeter than it could be true. It pulled me deeper into the night, where dreams are darker than any light. A silver sky where shadows gleam. I'm chasing stars in a restless stream. Fingers grasp but they slip through. What's real? What's me? What's true? Crown of dreams, it's shining bright. Lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see. 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? The ground it shakes, the air stands still. Climbing mountains against my will.
at the end of the line, or just a spark we failed to see, the ashes of you and me. The fire's in the glass, the past is in the air. Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Oh, whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? A lover's kiss tastes like fire and sin. The devil smirking, let the game begin. Cards on the table, hearts on the line. Drink to forget, but remember in time. Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Oh, whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? Flowing deep through the canyon's throat, a silver thread where legends flow. Whispers of time carved in stone. A river speaks, but it's never alone. River of the gods, carry me far, past the moonlight, past the stars, through the echoes, through the sands. Hold my fate in your endless hands. Your waters roar like a lion's breath, dancing